All right, so we're gonna try out this little itty bitty 4K camera in the pool today. I've got the BeatBot over there, so I'm gonna probably do some video of that. I've got to clean the pool because there's a little algae, and we're gonna try this bad boy out, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Let's do it. All right, so anyway, I took my 4K camera with the housing underwater and shot the BeatBot while it was cleaning the pool. You can see the little rollers. Check it out. Look at those things. That's the discharge of the water. And then we spin it around. We can see the very front of it. Look at it. It just popped a wheelie. Woo! Finished shooting in the pool. So now we got to get our camera out of here. I'm going to grab this right here. I'm going to pull it hard. And then it's going to allow me to open up the door and drop the camera out. So we'll set that over there. All right, so here she is, right? Now we just got to get the card out. So we've got to come to the side, pull this flap open right here. Let's see if you can see it. And I'm going to pop it like that, and there's the card, right? So I'm going to take my thumb, I'm going to push on it like this with my nail and pop it out. I'm going to use my finger, I guess. Let me get my thumb on it. I did kind of like, oh, there we go. Got it. There's the card. Now we're ready to go. We just have to stick it in to this reader. All right, so you want to have the gold facing the gold, and then on the front there's a little slot. I'm going to slide it in like this, just like this, push it, and now I just got to push it in the back of the computer in the slot, and we can load this. So this is my Mac, and I got to put it in the back of it. You know, everything's in the back on these Macs, which makes it kind of a pain in the butt because you got to come all the way to the back to get stuff in there. So we're going to slide it in right there like that. And then I just got to give it a push. And now it should show up out here. Oh, there it is. So like if I click on it, it'll open up and I can hit the videos. And look at all the videos in here. And then I've got to load those and put them into some file. I'm going to put them in Final Cut Pro. In recording, what I'm doing is I'm going to highlight this one. I'm going to slide down here, and I'm going to press the Shift key and the mouse at the same time. It highlights all of these. Then I can grab them by pushing down on my cursor mouse and drag them, just drag them over here. And then they'll load. And bam, Bob's your uncle. There we go. Loading them up. Look at all this stuff. There it is. Look. Apparently I did a bike ride on it and I didn't delete the video. So let's see what we got. And you can look up here. You'll see that this is loading right now. So we have to wait for this little circle right here to get completely filled, and that'll tell me that we've loaded all of the video. There's a lot of video in here. I think most of it's probably up here somewhere. Oh yeah, here we are. So this was from yesterday. I was cleaning my pool, and then I was following the BeatBot. All right, so anyway, I took my 4K camera with the housing underwater and shot the BeatBot while it was cleaning the pool. You can see the little rollers. Check it out. Look at those things. That's the discharge of the water. And then we spin it around. We can see the very front of it. Look at it. It just popped a wheelie. Woo!